Today I am here with Claire from Smith Douglas Homes, and we're here to talk about a brand new community that is opening in Rome, Georgia, Emerald Oaks Estates. So first of all, why don't you tell me a little bit about the location and where exactly it's located in Rome?
Emerald Oaks Estates is located about 6 miles north of downtown Rome within the Armuchee School District. It's only a short drive to Berry College, Shorter University and the historic downtown district of Rome, Georgia. This established community offers new homes from the low to the mid-200s. Whether you're looking for a ranch or a 2-story home, all of our floor plans offered provide a wonderful open concept and a choice of today's latest features. The great thing about the owner's suite in the Bayfield is built nearer the back of the home for the best views and maximum privacy. With the extended family room and that bonus bedroom equals about 2,100 square feet of living space.
Well, Claire, home buyers obviously have a choice when they're building their home with what builder they want to choose. So what makes Smith Douglas different?
Smith Douglas is an award-winning family-owned business with a legacy of constructing new homes at affordable prices.
Well, Claire, I'm sure there are some viewers out there that would love to learn more about Emerald Oaks Estates. So what's the best way to do that?
We invite home shoppers to visit us online at smithdouglas.com. They can also chat with me online or call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, as always, it is great to see you. And with Smith Douglas, remember, it is always your home, your choice, within reach.